the wax seal with my initial, but because I'd never check anything, it's upside down. But never mind. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back and sticking up with me. Today I am so excited to share this project is an hybrid between two different challenges. One is from Roxy Weekly Challenge. I'm sure it's week 46. Is it a 42 or 46? I will put the link down below. And Rachel shows how to make envelopes with pockets. So that was the challenge. So I took that as an inspiration. Then when I was thinking about it, I saw Joie DeFifi shared last weekend another video when she shared a booklet made from two envelopes and how she collaged them and decorate them. So I merged these two concepts to make my envelope with pockets but in a booklet shape, if it makes sense. From the outside it looks like that. So that is the front and that is the back. I have used some very basic supplies and lots of scraps from my stash and lovely Victorian digital kit. Put wax seal, again some stamps, but you will see everything in just a second. Okay guys, so let's start. The starting point is two envelopes. Mine, I mean, you can do this in a sort of as bigger or smaller as you want. My envelopes, they measure 11 by 11, and I've got the start with clumsiness. My envelope punch board, and I have scored at no, sorry, it's first 4 7/8 punch, score, rotator, 4 7/8 punch and score. Okay, so you get this sort of shape, and what you do, you just simply fold all sides like you would do to get like a normal size envelope. So you get that envelope that is like this, and I rounded the corner as well because I quite like rounded corners. I have two of those on one of them, so you pick whatever, it doesn't really matter because I'm using the same paper, so it doesn't really matter. These are from the works. I have this from last year. This is the Woodland Christmas. I paid £3 and I've got literally 4 papers left. They're 230 GSM, so it's quite thick, which is exactly what I wanted. Right, so on one of them I chopped one of the small size, so you get the two bigger size, which is the top and the bottom, and then you get your two smaller size. So I have chopped one of them. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to adhere this size, so the one that is missing the left little size, into the one on your right. Okay, so it goes on top of that. And to do that, I'm going to use my favorite tool, which is double-sided tape, because it's so much quicker than glue. So how you guys are doing? I just get back from the weekend in Tattershall Lake. It's been a gorgeous way. We've been really lucky with weather as well. It only rained on Sunday and kind of like Monday morning, but apart from that, we've been very, very lucky. It's been a gorgeous time with friends and with family. We had so much fun. I love family time. So then we go back yesterday, so I'm filming this on Tuesday, which you will see. I'm hoping I can edit it straight away, so I publish them on Tuesday as well. I'm sure I will be able to. So I put the double side tape, I put this on top. Now when you do that, you just need to make sure yeah, this is on a straight line on the back. Perfect. Okay, so you will get something that looks like this. Now, I know on camera it won't fit because it's so big. So basically, essentially, you have one piece where you've got the two small tabs, one big tab here, and then you fold it, and then you've got this on top, and this is basically your envelope. But now what we need to do, we need to create the pockets. Okay, so to create the pockets, basically this one here, those two triangles here, they already work as a pocket. So you can it's totally up to you. You can use this as one pocket. So you just put glue or double-sided tape on this two small bit there. So let's pretend those two are glued down. So you will have this as a pocket. If I'm making sense. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue down that bit, and also in the middle here. So we will have one pocket there and one different pocket there. And I'll show you in just a sec what I mean. So one little piece on each corner, one there and one here. And also one, I hope I'm in shot. Oh yeah. Don't need a spray now. And also one in here in the middle, roughly there. Okay, so let me just show you. Am I in shot? Yes. Peel it off, and then so I'm back to work on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and I'm off the following Monday, which is the day I will put our Christmas decorations up. Jamie has requested them to go today, but no chance. I'm too busy crafting. I've not been crafting for a few days now, so I'm kind of like, I want to get stuck into it. So I'm gonna leave this end of the week, and then I'll do it on the following Monday, which is, I think it should be either the 28th or the 29th. I can't quite remember, but normally I put my trees up the last weekend of November, which, because I'm working, it will be on a Monday, but it doesn't matter, it's only one day. So when you do that, you get one pocket there, you see, and one little pocket here. Okay, so you can either do anything on these two sides there. I mean, if you have something really, really tiny, like this bit, it will sit perfectly like that. But I mean, this is way too big. So I'm gonna do one small like that, and then this one here, I'm just gonna do the two sides, the two corners here, like I said in the beginning. So you get two different options, and I'm gonna do the other two off camera because it's just the same. So you don't want to see me repeating myself. So one corner there. So yeah, it's been a lovely time. So I woke up, have my cereals, and before I had a really nice hot shower. It's freezing today. And then before I start filming, I have my crumpets. I washed my hands, but they're still a bit oily, like, yeah, because I put quite a lot of butter on my crumpets. The pitch black, like literally almost burned, and then lots of butter on the top. How do you like your crumpets? I got the one from Marks and Spencer, which has got like the Christmas shapes, but I mean, it's the same price. It's just to make everything looking a bit more festive. Yeah, so let me know how you eat your crumpets, because I'm interested. So yeah, push down just the two corners, so you will have a bigger pocket now, so you can put anything much bigger. I know you won't put that, but just to understand. And I'm going to do exactly the same on these two tabs here. You guys ended up with something that looks like this. On this one, so this one matches that one, so I only put I only glue down those two here, so you get a really big pocket. On this one, I actually put the double side tape here, so you got a really nice side, big triangle pockets there. So what we need to do, we need to trim off this one here, this triangle here. But what you can do, I mean, I was kind of like thinking, put my thinking hat on. I really like this English expression. I put my thinking cap on, and I thought you can either glue it down completely, so you just got this little interest, but I'm going to decorate it all anyway. We're going to do some collage, but what you can do, you can create another pocket. So you simply glued again, either just those two corners there, you get the pocket there, or again you can glue this side down and you just use that as a pocket. It's totally up to you, but because I want this to be like a proper booklet, I'm going to chop these off. I'm going to show you. I mean, you can use this triangle for something else, but maybe if I do this, you see a bit better. Yeah, so that's going in there because I want that to close like a proper envelope there, and I'm going to put an eyelet. Okay, but we'll do that in a minute. Okay, so this is basically the base of your booklet slash pocket envelope. Call it how you want it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to decorate. I'm going to use, I got all these scraps from my desk, all different glitters paper, all these jars, all these bits and bobs. And I also got, it's here on this side, these Victorian images. They are a kit from the tailor-made journal. I'm going to fussy cut it and glue them all together. And I also got, which I can't find it, oh there it is, I'm going to use one of these old book page because I think it looks quite nice with the music paper. I'm not going to split it up because I think it's a bit boring for you guys to see me how I collage it all, but I'm going to collage it all together and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's all finished. So this is the front, and I have used a wax seal with my initial, but because I'd never check anything, it's upside down. But never mind. Yeah, as you can see, the A is facing kind of like northwest, but it should have faced south, but never mind. I do really like it. Where are you? There you are. So that's what the envelope closed up looks like. So that's the front and that's the back. I didn't go mad with the collaging because I still wanted to see the red on the background. And what you do is simply open it like that, just going to be very, oh, I think it's totally dry. Yeah, it won't move. So you just opens like that. So this will stay there attached to the envelope, and you just open. So you've got the front with the with Santa. And I have used, where is it? Don't ask me where it's coming from because I have no idea, but it was in my stash. And I have used some wooden paper from the same pack from the works. So I have stamped the bubbles directly on the paper, but also on this wooden effect because I really like these kind of like rustic bubble in contrast with the Victorian images. And I've used some metallic glitter, pink glitter, and plain shiny gold. Again, it's all about the texture, the layering, the stamps, the images. So it's kind of like a really good, nice balance of this different texture. And then it opens like that. And the inside, again, left it pretty much simple. Got some Merry Bright. Again, more layering with the bubbles. There's one there. I love this one. I mean, with this, in fact, I might use this again because I told you in several videos that I am a very traditional Christmas colour scheme person. So I like red, gold, green, glitter, stuff like that, like gold. But this will look nice with like some like a pink or blue paper. If you do like a bright Christmas, I think it will look quite nice on a blue background or on a pink background. So I might experiment and do something out of my comfortable zone in terms of colour scheme. We shall see. But for now, that's what it looks like inside. Just let me turn around so you see the Merry and Bright. And again, you can pull all the ephemera in the little pockets. And again, it just closes up like that. And then you just put that through the hole an entire bowl. Right guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big Christmassy black ink with some glue thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Joy's videos and Rachel's videos. I will put the 2 links down below. So if you want to join the challenge, please do so. Hashtag Roxy weekly challenge, so Rachel can see what we all do. Right guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful week, whatever you do. If you're at work, if you're at home, if you're crafting, just have a really good time. And don't forget, care about yourself before you care about somebody else. Have a wonderful time, have a wonderful week, and until next time, stay safe and well.